All right, today I'm going to show you how to fix a refrigerator that won't shut properly. As you can see right here, I have a refrigerator that is not shutting properly, and I'm going to go over various reasons as to why this is not shutting properly. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this. So you're in a situation and you're trying to shut your refrigerator so you can eat whatever stuff that you pulled from out of the refrigerator, but you can't seem to shut the refrigerator back. So one of the issues could be maybe something's stuck down there. This is just one of the issues. I'm going to go over the other ones. So right here, I just have some jalapeno hummus that was sitting down here. Maybe someone placed it there because they were too lazy to put it on the rack, but it seems like it perhaps just fell from heaven. So it's sitting down here and it's preventing the refrigerator from closing. So I removed this, and that is one issue that has been resolved. I removed the jalapeno hummus, and now it should be able to shut properly if there's nothing else obstructing it. But something else is obstructing it. So another thing that a lot of us run into is perhaps overstuffing the refrigerator. And when you overstuff the refrigerator, sometimes items come into contact with this door right here, or things that are in the door, preventing it from shutting all the way. So you can relieve that issue by simply removing the items back into a place to where the door can shut properly. Now, I'm going to go ahead and shut it, but it still doesn't shut the way I want to, or stay shut. And that brings me to the third reason as to why your refrigerator is not shutting properly. And that could be because the seal on the door either has food or crud or something against it on it that actually prevents it from shutting properly. Now you can fix this by cleaning this, and I'm going to show you how to clean the magnetic seal on this door. So this is magnetic, and it shuts right here to create a great seal, ensuring that the refrigerator stays at a constant temperature or close to a constant temperature. So every now and then you'll have to take something and clean this off so the refrigerator shuts properly. I'm going to do that with you now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a cloth and I'm just going to wet one in, just get it damp a little bit. And if you want to, if your refrigerator is really dirty, you could probably add a touch of detergent on there. And so once you have this, you're going to go ahead and take this, and then you're going to go with the cloth, and you're just going to go all around the refrigerator where the seal comes into contact. See that? I'm taking this, going all around the refrigerator where the seal comes into contact. And in doing this, you're cleaning off the crud that could be preventing the refrigerator from shutting properly. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the seal itself, the magnetic seal itself, which is on the door, you see this, and taking the cloth and going all around it and making sure that I get up all of the crud or anything else that is preventing the refrigerator from shutting. And so once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and shut the refrigerator to see if the problem is fixed. And you can see that the refrigerator is shut, stays shut. I cleaned off the magnetic seal, and that is how you fix a refrigerator door that won't shut properly. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.